Create this in a few simple steps. Go to a cool location, set your camera up on a tripod, and film you or your subject in front of the camera, and then in the exact same setup, film a clean plate background. Once you've done that, head over to After Effects, select the Roto Brush tool, double-clicking the subject layer, just draw all around the subject with the green paintbrush tool. Doesn't have to be perfect, but once you're happy with your roto, just click freeze. Once it's finished rotoscoping, go back to the main comp, and then if you take away the clean plate background, you'll see that I'm perfectly rotoed out. But before that, we're going to right click, pre-compose, disable it, and add an effect called displacement map to that clean plate background, and then change the displacement map layer to the subject. I'm going to go right to the moment where I snap my fingers, and I'm going to keyframe the horizontal displacement, and then move a few seconds in, and then increase that displacement so it looks like the effect is shimmering. Then in the moment when I click my fingers, press T on my keyboard and I can keyframe the opacity. Just turn it down to 0. If you found this effect too awesome and easy, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.